In the wake of economic globalization and trade liberalization, every country strives to improve itself, increasing competitiveness to attract investors. One area that becomes the focus of improvement is the smooth flow of goods or exports and imports because of the high dependence of many countries on international trade. Problems that hinder export and import must be addressed immediately. In December 2005, ASEAN economic ministers signed the agreement to implement the ASEAN Single Window. In the following 5 years, the then Indonesian President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono launched the implementation of Indonesia National Single Window System. To tackle problems related to the flow of goods, the Indonesia National Single Window created the Indonesia Gateway or iGateway, acting as a hub for Asian trading documents. iGateway is an electronic data exchange model that acts as a hub between business to government or B2G and government to government or G2G domestically and internationally. iGateway focus of improvements are business agreement expansion, simplification and automation of administration processes, logistic process acceleration, financial efficiency, and secure state revenue. Before iGateway was implemented, exporters had to submit physical documents to every government agency for signature and stamp. The physical copy also must be sent by airmail service, which incurred additional postal fee and other administration costs. The physical documents requirement has led to other major issues such as bottleneck in document assessment because tons of documents must be checked, signed, and stamped by the officer. Congestion at the port because physical document delivery took a longer time than the arrival of goods from the exporting country. In addition, the documents could be damaged or lost during the delivery. As a result, exporters suffered a further significant loss due to failing to claim tariff rate reduction. After the implementation of iGateway, exporters no longer need to submit physical documents and other requirements. Moreover, traders reap the benefit of trade cost efficiency, ranging from administration costs, carrier fees, to operation costs by third-party fees. iGateway provides not only data standardization, but also data validity optimization, secure line for data transmission, and SLA data transmission. After operating for more than 3 years, iGateway has successfully issued 1 million electronic trading documents for export and import shared with 9 other Asian countries. As the hub for Asian trading documents, iGateway has managed to save approximately 66 billion rupees of trade costs and expedite good clearance timing up to 2 days in average since implemented. It has also streamlined document delivery because traders have no longer to wait for the physical document. Besides, iGateway is proven to increase data quality and authenticity by up to 80% since the document rejection rate has been declining. More than just a medium for data exchange, iGateway has become a multi-channel platform. Its flexibility makes it easily replicated by other agencies with various security types and transmission processes with considerably lower investment costs. Since February 2020 in Indonesia, iGateway has been replicated for the G2G platform in bilateral data exchange with South Korea, China, and Australia. Domestically, iGateway also facilitates a B2G data integration platform to exchange logistic documents with business entities to expedite the clearance process.
Kami sudah memanfaatkan fasilitas e-Formly sejak Mei 2019 untuk membantu kelancaran kegiatan ekspor dan impor kami. Dulu, sebelum adanya penerapan e-Formly, kami wajib menyerahkan dokumen hardcopy COO Formly sehingga berpotensi adanya kehilangan, kerusakan, pemalsuan, dan keterlambatan penerimaan Formly. Setelah penggunaan e-Formly, kami dapat yang pertama mengurangi waktu yang masuk terkait keterlambatan submit COO hampir 500 juta rupiah per bulan. Yang kedua, transaksi semua bersifat elektronik sehingga full paperless tentunya dikurangi. Yang ketiga, selain itu, transaksi juga bisa kami monitor melalui fasilitas tracking e-Formly sehingga sangat bisa berani. Yang keempat, menurunkan dwelling time sehingga kontainer dapat langsung clearance tanpa menunggu original form.
With active participations and technical advance in implementations of the ASEAN Single Window, we appreciate Indonesia's great support for development of the ASEAN Single Window, including active participations on the testing with the remaining IMS, namely Laos PDR and the Philippines, to facilitate these IMS to join the live operations in 2019.
Let's collaborate our trade through iGateway, the flexible multi-channel platform.